Hello friends, in this video I am going to share about different ways by which we can make money from share market. All the details I provided in my blog. The name of my blog is My Money Books. Permanent link of this page I will provide in the description of this video. So if you would like anyone to read all this thing, you can go through that link and read it properly. In this video I am just going to give an outline about different ways. Basically I am covering 10 different ways. In that 5 are investment type profit making and 5 are trade profit making. So the difference between investment and trade is investment is ideally for a long time with taking a delivery, and trade activities are very short time and maybe maximum 1 month 2 months like that, or like intraday. So first one is investment type. In that first I am going to explain about capital appreciation. Means it may be a long time or short time. Long time means if our investment is more than 1 year, and short time is if it is less than 1 year. If you are buying some stock and holding it for about a year and the price goes up by 5% or 10%, that amount of price goes up. That is called capital appreciation. I will make a brush also able. Okay. Next, second type is dividend. Actually, dividend is a profit distribution done by a company to its shareholders. So once one company makes some profit, the portion of that profit will distribute among his shareholders. Means if we are holding a share of some XYZ company 100 quantity, and company decide to pay dividend of 1 rupee per share, we will get 100 rupees. That will happen maybe in quarterly, half yearly or yearly based on the company profile. Next method is bonus share or stock split. Like dividend, when companies make large amount of profit, they may decide to give additional share to its shareholders, or if they want to increase the quantity of share in the market, they may do stock split. Both are almost same. The difference between bonus share and stock split is, in bonus share, if company is deciding to provide 1:5 bonus share, means if you are holding a 5 shares of that SYC company, you will get additional 1 share. So total your shareholding became 6. And in the case of stock split, if company deciding to do 1:2, so if you are holding 1 share, you will get additional 1 more share. Sorry, 1:1 means if you are holding 1 share, you will get additional 1 more share. 1:2 means if you are holding 2 share, you will get 1 more additional share. So but the face value they became half. Like if you are holding a 100 quantity of a company share with the face value 10 rupee, if they are doing a stock split, face value remains changed to 5 rupees per share, and your quantity became 200. So ideally your total fund remains same, like 5 rupees into 200. But in the case of bonus share, we will get an additional share. Next type of profit booking is IPO, initial public offering. It is a first time release of a share from a company. Means if a company is going to release its shares, they will identify some investor in the bank. Through them, they will declare they are going to release IPOs as a lot. So we can apply for IPOs through our broker. If we are getting the lot, that IPO will be allocated to us. So once that share comes to us, we can sell it. Most of the time what will happen is IPO will decide on some X price, and when it comes to a market, buy pressure will automatically increase, and price of that share will goes up. Means X plus 5 rupees, 10 rupees like that. So at that time we can sell it and we can book a profit. Fifth method is buyback. So recently TCS done it. They declared they are going to buy back share at a price of 3000 rupees. When they declared it, the price of the share was something around 2200 like that. So if you are holding some share, if company declares a buyback with a higher price, we can sell that share back to company and we can get that higher amount of money. So okay, these are the 5 types of profit making method through an investment method. Now I will tell about the trading type activities, how we can make the money. In that, trading means buying and selling in a short period of time, even in a day of time. First one is intraday trading. Intraday trading means trade activities happening over the morning to evening time, means over the market hour. So in the morning time you have to buy, and before market hour close we have to sell it. We are not taking any delivery of that shares, and most of the times many of the broker will give leverage. So we can take that leverage and we can buy more quantity, and with a small profit we can score off that trade and we can book the profit. Next, seventh point is BTSD, buy today sell tomorrow. In ideal condition, after the trade activity, the shares will delivered to our demat account only after 2 days. Ideally it is T plus 2 days. So if you are in BTSD, what will happen is, if you are taking a trade position and that trade position will square off before that delivery exactly happening. So it is just like a intraday, but we will get a more time of holding period. Next one is short selling. Short selling is a type of intraday trading where we are selling the shares and buying it back. Actually we are selling the share which we are not at all holding, and that holding accountability is managed by our broker. So like morning we will sell 100 shares, by the end of the day we are obligated to buy back that 100 shares. Otherwise broker will go directly by auction method and they can score off everything. So next method is swing trading. Next method is swing trading and position trading. Both are ideally process same. In the case of swing trading, time period will be very short with a very small amount of profit. But in the case of position trading, it will be a months of time or weeks, months, maybe 2 months, 3 months, like that. In swing trading, in a week itself they will do a square off with a profit, very small percentage of profit, like 1%, 2%. But in the case of position trading, most of the time trader will go at least some 10% of profit booking, 5 to 10% of profit booking. So in the case of swing trading, number of trade activity will be more, but compared to position trade. Final method is future and option. These are all derivative type of trade activity where trade is happening on contracts, not on the exact equity. So the difference between future and option is, future have obligation to buy the share at a predetermined price and predetermined time. But in the case of option, there is no obligation. We can either buy call option or put option. By paying the premium, we can execute the order. So basically these are the 10 methods by which we can make the money from share market. If you know some other methods, or if you like to share, please put it on the comment line so that others really can get more idea about it. And if you would like to open an account with Upstox or Angel Broking or ICICI Direct, I will provide the link in the description of this video. Just click on it, you can easily open the account. Then thanks for watching my video. Bye, see you.